What if I told you I could make you a spread that was just nuts and healthy? You better believe it. Okay, so first things first. Step number one, choose your nuts. You have to choose what kind of nuts you want to use. I've chosen to use half honey roasted, half dry roasted, and I've already pre-mixed them in the bowl here. We're gonna throw them right in, and you want to use just about 3 to 4 cups. That ratio and that quantity is really gonna work for you. So we take a look, I'm just underneath the 4-cup mark there. And step 2 is you're gonna push down with your tamper on the high speed until you have your desired consistency. If you wanna have a chunkier peanut butter, turn it off earlier. If you wanna have a completely smooth peanut butter, let it run longer. And if you let it run long enough, it'll actually start to get hot. And then you can have a peanut sauce. Yum. All right, so turn it up. Alrighty, so this is done, and we're gonna take a look-see inside. Wow, fresh, warm, creamy peanut butter. You can easily incorporate healthy snacks like this one and many others into your daily routine and start living healthier today. Get inspired at tsc.ca. See you there.